If you're a foreigner living in Germany and thinking about starting Amazon Germany FBA, this video might save you thousands of euros or stop you from making a very expensive mistake. I've worked with sellers who made money and sellers who failed badly, not because they were lazy, but because they didn't understand how the German system actually works. In this video, I will show you seven reasons most foreigners fail at Amazon Germany FBA, and most importantly, how you can avoid them before you spend one dime. And if you already sell in the US or UK market, don't skip this video because Germany plays by very different rules. It's your boy, Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. I strictly focus on selling on Amazon Germany. I also mentor foreigners who wish to start Amazon Germany. If you're interested in my mentorship, my email will be in the description down below. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will give you a free downloadable checklist PDF file. So stay tuned. Let's hop into it. Reason number one, they underestimate the German bureaucracy. The first mistake is underestimating German bureaucracy, guys. Many foreigners think Germany is just the UK or the US with a few extra forms. It's not. Germany is a procedure-based system. Miss one procedure and Amazon, the tax office, or the government will stop you without warning. Amazon Germany doesn't care if you're new. The Finanzamt doesn't care if you didn't know. In Germany, ignorance is not forgiven. It's penalized. Reason number two, they start selling before they are legally ready. The second mistake is starting to sell before being legally ready. I see this all the time. People open Amazon account, list products, make sales, and only later think about VAT, Lucid, GPSR, or proper business registration, things like getting their Steuer number. Okay. In Germany, that thinking gets you retroactive tax bills and fines. I'll fix it later is not a strategy here. It's a liability. Reason number three, they choose the wrong selling model. Mistake number three is choosing the wrong selling model for Germany. Many foreigners copy US private label strategies or TikTok trends without understanding German margins, VAT, logistics, and buyer behavior. Germany rewards structure and margin control, not speed and hype. Selling fast doesn't mean selling profitably. Reason number four, they ignore VAT math until it's too late. This one is critical, guys. Most sellers fail not because they don't sell, but because they don't understand VAT. Gross profit is not real profit. If you don't understand VAT, OSS, Amazon fees, and input tax, you might be working for free without realizing it. Okay. I've seen sellers panic only after receiving tax letters months later. Reason number five, they don't understand German customers. German buyers are not like American buyers or UK buyers. They don't buy hype. They buy trust. They must trust you first. Poor German language, exaggerated listings, and urgency tactics lead to low conversions and high return when you're doing private label system in the German Amazon account. In Germany, Credibility sells, not excitement. Reason number 6. Yeah. They rely on random YouTube videos instead of a system. This is a big one, guys. Free content feels productive, but random videos don't create results. Systems do. Most failed sellers didn't lack information. They lacked system, or they lacked sequence. Okay. Germany does not like disorder. Germany punishes disorder. So you have to be ordered. You have to put yourself in order so as to create order. Reason number 7. They try to do everything alone. Now, guys, this is very, very important. If you wanted to climb a mountain, you would not just show up in front of the mountain and just start doing it by yourself. You would definitely get a guide who has done that or been there before. Okay. This last reason is trying to do everything all by yourself. You're trying to do everything alone. Okay. Every successful seller you admire paid for clarity, either in time, money, or mistakes. Okay. So some beginners feel that, oh, I'm going to get free information here, put it together and figure it out myself. And that's where the big mistake will cost you. That's where it says you will pay either sooner or later. So it's better you find someone or a system that you join or belong to, or someone that guides you and shows you the rope. If you need to pay them to show you. If it's free, by all means do it. Okay. But this last reason, number 7, is very crucial, very, very crucial. A lot of beginners fail to do. If you're still watching, that tells me that you are serious about Amazon FBA Germany. And as I promised, a free downloadable readiness checklist file, PDF file, specifically for foreigners, will be made available to you. It's going to help you see honestly whether you're ready to start Amazon Germany or not, or maybe you're just excited. Okay. Download the free file and give an honest answer to each question. Okay. Simply go to my comment section down below. You'll see a pinned comment in my comment section. There's a link there. Please click on that link, go to that link and download the file. After you have downloaded and answered it, and if after going through it, you already know you want mentorship and don't want to make costly mistakes, you can email me, reach out to me directly. My email will be in the description down below. I'm also going to put it on the screen right here. Okay. So please check it out. All right, guys. So I truly appreciate you watching. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel so it grows. And share this to someone that you know might need it. Okay, guys, I truly appreciate it. It's your boy, Ricky Ross. I'm out.